let's learn how you can delete your Brawl Stars account. So there are two ways you can find this. One is by going to Brawl Stars Support website from your browser. And second one is you want to open your game, then click on three horizontal lines and click on settings. Now you want to find this delete my account button. Click there and you can request data delete. Now click on this blue button right here and it will open Brawl Stars support. Now this will be your message. You just want to scroll and you want to delete this game. Okay, let me show you. So you just want to press delete, delete, delete. So just yes, 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 and you will find this step right here. Do you want to delete this game? Yes. And they will send some message. You want to press on I agree to delete my data. I want to do that now because it will delete my account, obviously, but just click on it. It will probably show a little more steps. At the end, your account will be deleted. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see